Let me introduce you to the 4 ways to use iPax. First, you can access iPax through the dedicated web page. There is no need to install any special software, and you can use iPax anytime, anywhere, and from any device. Second, you can use iPax with PowerPoint. You can incorporate auscultation cases into your lectures and presentations. This will engage students and create a more effective teaching environment. Third, you can distribute auscultation sounds via QR codes. Previously, it was challenging to distribute auscultation sounds, but with iPax QR codes, everyone can share cases of heart and lung sounds. They can be easily accessed from smartphones and tablets, expanding the scope of education. Lastly, iPax can now be used through learning management systems, LMS. It can be embedded as a frame within platforms like Moodle, which are used by various educational institutions. As you can see, iPax offers a variety of usage options, allowing you to choose the optimal method that suits your purposes.